Hello, my name's Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury aluminum railing system. We're going to talk about the pre-assembled panel option. This is available in the Tuscany C10 only in 5, 6, 7, and 8 foot lengths, 36 and 42 inches tall, in 6 and 8 foot lengths, 36 and 42 inch tall stair, and it's available in black texture, bronze texture, gloss white, and white texture. You can see the packaging where we encapsulate the top and bottom rail in cardboard, and then it is palletized. Here I'm going to talk about our assembled post kit option. This is the option where all the hardware is pre-installed from the factory. This is also a limited offering in black texture, bronze texture, white texture, and gloss white. So here we have our crossover post with the flare and the covers and the bottom bracket installed. Next we have your corner crossover with the crossover installed, the flare, the covers for the bottom bracket with the bottom brackets installed in a corner application. Then we have an end crossover with the end cap and an additional piece of Westbury top rail on top, a flare, covers for the bottom rail, and only one bracket on the bottom. And we go to our through posts. This would be a line post with both brackets installed, top and bottom, covers, flare, and cap. This would be your corner through post with the corner bracketry installed, covers, cap, and flare. And last but not least would be your end post with your hardware installed, your covers, your flare, and your cap. Of course, with this particular program, you would still purchase your stair post without your hardware attached, and there would be other applications on the project as well where you would use a blank post and attach your hardware. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.